Hello guys, this is Mike from Nitro Speed. Hope you guys are doing well this Friday night. Getting ready to do the video because I'm going to go watch the taping of the NASCAR truck race that's in Vegas. They're up in Vegas this weekend. And I got some goodies to share with you. Some you just haven't seen in a long time. But we're starting off with this 89 Mazda Savannah RX7, which I love this casting. I love the Mazda RX7s. And so guys, this is what we're starting off with. And I'm going to get a swig of my Gatorade. I'm very thirsty. Oh, that's good. Alright, guys. Let's go ahead and go to the next one. Boy, that was good. Riptide Rush. It's from the Gatorade Frost. Next one, guys. Another Mazda RX-7. This is 95. And I love this color. It's like a... it's kind of hard to pinpoint the exact color, but this is a gorgeous color. The wheels look great on the casting as well. Pull it forward a little bit more. I don't like it when it's not centered. Some pretty cool castings coming up, guys. I always have to put some JDMs or some exotics. I only have one exotic. Actually two. One's American, one's European. Alright guys, next side, to the driver's side, we'll go to the next one. I absolutely love this Mazda RX-7. I love the color of it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Tinted windows, smoke tinted windows. Really a nice casting. Alright guys, let's head on over to the next one. Whoops. Ooh, that was close. I better be a little slower. Next one's Nissan Skyline GTR R34. I haven't brought out a Skyline in quite a while. But I do love this one. I like the detail front and back. The rims, not so much. Yeah, it's not. I'm sorry, there's only detail in the back. Or temp work in the back, not in the front. But still a great casting. I love the color. It's a metallic green. It's like an olive green, metallic olive green color. Really a nice casting though. I have quite a few RX-7s. Whoops, sorry guys. As you know, I always clean my cars before each video. I want them to look nice like they were in a car show. So, we're going to call it Car Show Friday Night. Alright guys. Passenger side, next one. Got some pretty awesome castings coming up. Alright guys. Next one. This one I really love. This is Jaguar XCV Project 8. It's a metallic burnt orange. It is absolutely a gorgeous casting. I love the Jaguars. Absolutely love them. Great looking castings. This casting is just absolutely breathtaking. I love it. I know there's people out there just don't care for these. That's okay, because everybody has their likes and dislikes. Guys, smash that thumbs up, comment down below, let me know which one was your favorite at the end of the video, and please subscribe, guys. Alright guys, next side here, we're going to go to the next one. Next ones are going to be, the rest are going to be American cars. Alright, guys. Wow, I hate taking this off the table. It's so beautiful to look at. Okay, guys, here we go. Now, and I do love these tremendously. I love these IROC Z28s. It's like an 85. This gorgeous casting, absolutely gorgeous casting. Gotta pull it for a little more. There we go. I have the blue and the burgundy, and I like the blue better. And I do love IROCs. I have a few in my collection, not some really good ones, but I know I have one coming in the future. And I just love the IROCs. They're just such great cars. I used to work for a Chevy dealership, and one of the young ladies I worked with had a black and gold one. It's absolutely gorgeous. Very well taken care of, very fast. Okay, guys, let's go to the next one. This is the American Exotic, and this casting is just absolutely gorgeous. This is the 2020 Chevrolet Corvette. Now this is from Matchbox, and it is just absolutely gorgeous. Fire engine red. Absolutely love this casting. Very well detailed front and back. Love the rims on this. Goes good with this casting. Man, it's just so beautiful. I'm so glad I was able to get my hands on it, and I think I have doubles of this one. I have doubles of a lot. I have a box and a half down there that are fully carded. I just absolutely love bringing this Chevrolet Corvette out. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I'm not a big fan of red castings, but this looks great in red. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright, guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. I have an awesome casting coming up. And this one is made by Carol Shelby, and it's the Shelby Cobra 427 SC. Absolutely love these Shelby Cobras. Absolutely gorgeous casting. When I was younger, I really didn't care for these that much, but as I got older, I really started to appreciate them more and more. And I think I bought 4 in my collection, that's it. But I really gotta move to like Johnny Lightning or Auto World or something like that and get a really nice one to add to my collection. I have 5 left, guys. Once again, smash that thumbs up, comment down below, let me know which one was your favorite at the end of the video, and please subscribe, guys. And I want to give a shout out tonight, Doll Star Diecast. Check his channel out. And let's see, I'm trying to think who else I can throw in there real quick. Because I did 3 the other night, and I can't really think of anybody else I can, oh yeah, check out Gary's diecast collection as well. Good, very good friend of mine, and he's really an amazing guy. And I'm so grateful for his friendship. And we've been friends a long time, and he was one of my very first friends that I met on YouTube. Was 18, 19, 20, 22. This is going to be my 5th year I've been collecting, but my 4th year on YouTube in October. So guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. But those are my 2 shout outs for the night. Gary's Diecast Collection and Doll Star Diecast. Please check out their channels, give them some support, and so guys, that's going to be my 2 shoutouts. Okay guys, let's go to the next one. Went a little too far with this one. Alright guys, here we go. Now it's gonna really start getting good. This is from Matchbox and it's the Ford GT40. I love this color. It's like a metallic olive green. And it's really a beautiful casting, absolutely gorgeous. I have two different paint variations of this Matchbox Ford GT40, and I have a light blue one as well. It's like a poly blue, but it is just absolutely gorgeous. Not much detail front or back on this, but I still love this. I love the body style of these. Love the old school Ford GT40s. It is absolutely gorgeous. Have a more modern one that's blue and is just so breathtaking. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I think I'm going to bring that one out maybe tomorrow if I can remember. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. Whoops, gotta make sure that sleeve's rolled up and I don't want to knock anything over. This next one, I think you're really going to like this. This is a 66 Chevy Nova from Hot Wheels. I love the color of this, the square body style. Absolutely gorgeous casting. Pull it forward a little more. Absolutely gorgeous. Light blue window tint. Absolutely gorgeous casting. Not much temp work front or back, but I tell you, this color and the white racing stripes on it really make this car stand out. And the rim's not too bad. I think these are called the J5s. Guys, I got 3 left. One more full time round. We'll go to the next one. Got some real goodies coming up. Okay guys, next side, next one. Next one is a Brendan Ventusky car owned. He really owns this car in real life. Just like the Triassic 555 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. Okay guys, whoops, I went a little too far. That's alright. Okay guys, here we go. It's going to be the 67 Pontiac Firebird with real riders. And this is such a great looking casting. Absolutely love this. It's like a Zamac edition with real riders. And I'm not much on Zamacs anymore. I think there's just, this really don't do anything for me. This is really a great looking casting. I wouldn't mind having this same car in real life. Love these old 67 Pontiac Firebirds. Absolutely gorgeous. They're built just like the 67 Chevy Camaros. Body style very similar. Okay guys, next side, next one. Now this next one, Diecast Clown loves these castings. He's had, I think, about 3 of these in real life. Okay guys, here we go. Next one, 92 Ford Mustang with rear riders. It's a gorgeous casting. Absolutely love this. Grateful this is in my possession. But I know he loves these castings. He loves this year's of the Mustang. You know, these are his favorites. Mine are the 65 to 67 Ford Mustang Fastbacks. Are my favorite years. But this, I love these Ford Mustang Fox body styles. I love them. They're absolutely gorgeous. Alright guys, passenger side to the last one. This last one is absolutely gorgeous. One of my most recent finds, but I only brought it out when I got it. When I first got it and I put it on the turntable. Now it's going to be in my first full-length video. Whoop, a little too far. Alright guys. Pontiac GTO Judge. Alright guys. It's my last one for the night, guys. And smash that thumbs up, comment down below, let me know which one was your favorite, and please subscribe, guys. Hope you guys had a good day. Hope you enjoyed this video. You guys have yourselves a good rest of your night. Be good to each other, be well, and I will see you guys in the next video. This is Mike from Nitro Speed. I'm out of here. See ya.